All right, so we are almost done. So now we're gonna install the air inlet tube and the air filter box. All right, we got everything put back together. Now we're gonna do an oil change. After we do an oil change, we're gonna start the engine. We are back here under the vehicle. Before we do the oil change, I wanna reseal this lower oil pan. Okay, so I suspect a leak over here. Okay, so I'm going to remove this lower oil pan and reseal it. Now, I don't have to show you how I do this. Removing this lower oil pan is really straightforward and easy to do. I'm gonna undo all these bolts over here around the lower oil pan. Okay, and then I'm going to reseal it. Okay, so I'm gonna do that off camera and then I'll bring you guys back up so we can do the oil change. I'm not gonna worry about this oil that we have back here because that was coming from the oil cooler that we just replaced. So I'm gonna seal this lower oil pan. We're gonna put oil in it and start the engine, and after that we're gonna take this vehicle to the pressure washer and wash the bottom of the engine. Okay, and after that we're gonna wrap up this video. So I'm going to seal this lower oil pan and then I'll bring you guys back up. I did remove the lower oil pan. I resealed it. Okay, as you can see, it's nice and clean. I cleaned it and I used silicone around the pan to seal it up. Okay, so now let's lower the vehicle and put oil in the engine. Okay, we have enough oil in the engine, so now I'm gonna start it. It is the moment of the truth. Let's start the engine now. Alright guys, as you can hear, the engine is running. I'm looking around the engine bay to see if we have any leaks. No leaks, the engine sounds good. So we're good to go. This is fixed. I'm going to turn off the engine and start it back up, and after that we're going to take this vehicle for a test drive. Alright guys, so this is fixed. So now I'm gonna close the hood so we can take this vehicle for a test drive. It's the next day. We're gonna start the engine and test drive the vehicle. The engine ran great last night. There are no leaks around the engine compartment. So let's test drive it, and after the test drive, we're gonna wrap up this video. So let's take this for a spin. The vehicle drives well. Here is the dash. So we're good to go. This is fixed, guys. I feel comfortable delivering this to the customer. We have fixed the oil leak that this van had. So this is fixed. So we don't have to go too far. I'm gonna turn around and drive back to the shop, and once I get back to the shop, I'll bring you guys back up so we can wrap up this video. So see you guys at the shop. Alright guys, we are back here at the shop. The vehicle drives well. We no longer have an oil leak. We replaced the oil cooler we resealed the lower oil pan. I also did a transmission flush off camera. So this vehicle drives well, no more oil leaks, so this is fixed. I'm gonna leave this right over here. This was a long process. Removing and replacing the oil cooler on this engine is a huge project. So I don't know how this video is gonna go. I'm probably going to break it down into a couple parts because it's a long process. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumb down. But if you do, you gotta tell me why so we can make better videos in the future. If this is your first time here, subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. If you have any comments, questions, criticism, leave them in the comment box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.